Okay, now I'm going to do a PA on Eurocad. So starting from the correlation, we can see Euro 1 CAD -1. But this Euro technically is a sister pair of Euro Australian, which I got the trade for Henning. So for some reason, Henning doesn't really like trading with the currency strength. I think the currency strength thing is like kind of working out right now. Like we choose a pair based on one strong and maybe a neutral kind of pair. And then we try to take it in the direction instead of trying to reverse, go in the opposite direction, as we can see from our trade on Great Britain Japan, that it reverse and we just get take out. Actually we just take a 2 up profit over there. It's a very good day. It's just a 2% one day, and technically there's like 2 sessions. So 2 sessions we can do like 4% a day. It's like perfect, really perfect. We don't have to go for 5R 6R. Okay, that's one thing. Then so we can see daily Euro CAD. So Euro is -3, CAD is -7. So we went long. We going against daily. So correlation is actually not in our favor. Okay, so first at this area, you can see there's this strong, this guy with high range. He pops it up. Here high volume also, so actually technically it can go long again somewhere here. But now it's like I lazy monitor also. Maybe tomorrow you can see that. So first of all, this this level here during European opening at 3 o'clock, the prices pushes up very strong. Then it came down, and with this high volume, the correlation is not in my favor. Maybe that's why it's losing. But we can actually take it up to the top. I was thinking of taking it up to the top here. So the first one is timing wise. The first entry here is I would say is good. We stop loss here. You get stop, then we just scratch. Like I get stop after that from this candle, which I think the first entry that I get stop up -1 is good. It's good. It's a good trade, good buy that I can afford to lose. That's a good trade. While on the other hand, I actually went in level wise, it's around like the support level. Yeah, maybe he want to come in deeper, but location okay, I would say. Cause even if you draw a trend line, it's about that level. So location wise, I would say it's okay. Maybe but it's a trending state lah. So that's the point reason. The first time it tests. So location okay, correlation okay. Entry is good. High volume. Came back down high volume at the low. High volume at the low. Stop loss here. Try to take it out. It breaks, then it's over. Entry good. Volume good. I say this trade is okay, except the second part where when it got stopped out, I actually try again. This is like kind of FOMO, but you think about it, if really going out, right, why would it come down again? This the only mistake that I did. So next time when and he tried unable to make a low, he went up, then why would he come down again? So this is the only mistake. There's 2 things, this and correlation. It's not in my favor. I think that's basically why this trade failed. So we really managed to make our fundamentals down. Correlation number 1. Number 2 is correlation number 1, number 2 volume, timing of. Technically you can just trade 2 hours or the timing wise, timing and okay, timing exit wise I got stop out so it's okay. But where I'm actually targeting higher up, like since it's here I'm thinking of maybe targeting here, which is quite a 2 to 3 up trade. I think okay lah. I'll say first we can do better. So anything that I can improve on. When the market goes against you, maybe just take a step back and pause and watch. Especially when where high volume came in, right, and it pushes up, then it got stop out. This is the reason why you need to monitor your trades properly. Yeah. Like it can just go up, come down, go up, come down. If can present Japan later. Okay, done.